Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my quick and cheap curly ponytail. It's really easy, like 1, 2, 3. So I'm starting with my hair just down, and excuse the pimple on my face, what the fuck. And then I'm just going to wet my hair with rice water. I like to use rice water in my hair. It helps for growth. So I'm just saturating my hair in the water. Next, I'm going to go in with the leave-in conditioner. I'm using one from African Pride. It's the olive oil one. You couldn't really see it, but that's what it is. And I'm putting this on my hair because it gives it a nice shine and also makes it nice and soft. Next, I'm going to grease my part with almond oil and castor oil because my scalp could be mad dry and I don't want you to see any flakes or anything. So I'm using that, and I'm also putting in my edges because it's good for growth, so why not? Then for gel, I'm going to use the Wetline Extreme Gel, the green one. This is my favorite. It literally costs like $2. So I'm just rubbing it on my hair, mostly on the outside where you'll actually see it. Now I'm just using a Denman brush to brush my hair down. I like to use Denman brush because it's good for curls. It really makes your curls pop. And I'm also putting gel on like the nape area because I am going to pull this bun a little upward. Next, I'm using the Got2b in the black bottle because it's not as sticky as the one in the yellow bottle. And I'm just putting that all over the outside of my hair. Then I'm going to use this brush I stole from my dad years ago because it's so soft. I don't like hard brushes, so I'm using this one to brush my hair back. And I just wanted to show you guys that I definitely passed the wave check. Are you shitting me? So I'm still just brushing my hair back. And then for my scrunchie, I'm just using a little black one that doesn't have any metal pieces on it. I don't like scrunchies that have metal on it because I feel like it snags on your hair. I'm just gonna wrap it around like 3 times, not too tight. And then I'm gonna take my ponytail and twist it up into a 2-strand twist. Then I'm going to be taking this twist that I just made and I'm going to wrap it up around into itself to make a cute little bun. Then I'm going to take my Nairobi setting foam. I think that's what it's called. It's mousse, and I'm going to put it on my hair because I think it helps to make my curls pop. I went ahead and put my scarf on and then did my makeup. So it only took me about 20 minutes to do my makeup, so that's how long the scarf was on, and this is what it looks like. Then I'm just going to show the ponytail. It came in this little black bag. I got it from Amazon. It has 2 clips, one at the top, one at the bottom, and a drawstring. And the little space where your hair goes is pretty big, so I liked that. I'm just going to clip it on with the combs at the top of the bottom, pull on the drawstring, and I'm just going to adhere it with a little bobby pin for a little extra security. Then I'm just going to take out a piece of hair and wrap it around the ponytail so it looks a little more fake natural and not too awkward. And I'm going to secure that with another little bobby pin. And you can see the drawstring hanging out, but I ended up fixing it when I was done recording because I had to go upstairs and get another bobby pin. But ignore that. I like to pull out little pieces of hair on my sides, and I'm just using the Wetline gel and curling it up again. And for baby hair, I just like to do 1 swoop on each side. I don't like too much baby hair when I have my real hair out. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's really quick, really easy. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.